Hi honeys, welcome back to another video. I'm at our new house in the bathroom. Doors are locked because it's loud in this house. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear it. We are starting renovations today. My husband is starting to sand down the floors like I told you guys in the last video in the house tour that we wanted to sand all the floors upstairs in the bedrooms. So he's starting on that today. We're also going to start painting and also take down any wallpapers on any walls that had wallpaper. So it's going to be a full day, rather a full week of renovations. So I wanted to just take you guys along and, you know, watch us do the whole transformation with the rooms and the whole house pretty much. So I'm gonna start with the wallpaper in our bedroom. I told you guys in the last video that we wanted to take that down. It's hideous. So that's what I'm gonna start with. That's my task for today. The kids are downstairs playing in their playroom, having a ball. So, you know, they're pretty much occupied and out of the way so that we can try to work fast and get things done. We plan on moving in after Thanksgiving, so that weekend of like the Black Friday weekend, we plan on moving in. So we have about probably about 2 weeks to get this place to where we want it to be for now, because, you know, as time progresses, we're gonna be, you know, we're not doing everything all at once. So as time progresses, we're gonna change things out to the way we want them to be. So to at least be livable and comfortable, we have 2 weeks pretty much to get the minor things done. So like I said, I'm gonna take you guys along and have you guys watch the process. So just tune in and hope you guys enjoy. Your girl is tired. I had to take me a little break. I'm headed to Home Depot. I have to get some more supplies. My husband needs something, a handheld sander, something another, and some more sandpaper for the floors that he's doing, as you guys saw. And what am I gonna do? I need a drink. I think I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I want to try that drink that is it Taja? I hate saying her name wrong. Taja or Taja, y'all know who I'm talking about. Her chai latte tea, or chai latte drink rather, that she's always raving about. I want to try that. So I'm going to go to Home Depot first, and then make my way back to Starbucks, and then head back home. I can say home now. But head back to the house, and then finish the wall. I think I'm like halfway done with it, so I made progress. It is very tedious and time consuming, but I know it's worth it because it's gonna be everything that I wanted in a room. I can't wait to like decorate my room. I'm so excited about that. I already know like what I'm going for. I want it to be a nice hotel vibe, you know, luxury, bougie, all the finer things. So I'm super excited about doing the decor for the room, for the entire house, but for my room especially, because you know that's my room, that's my sanctuary, that's where I'll be spending a lot of my time. So yeah, I think that's it. I will check in with you guys probably when I get to Starbucks or when I get back to the house. All right guys, so I realized in the house tour I totally forgot to show you guys the garage. So here is the garage. There's a 2-car garage here. So yeah, this is the official end of the house tour. Yeah, so came back from Home Depot and not even turn that light on. Came back from Home Depot and I wanted to show you guys some goodies that I found. Home Depot definitely has some cute home decor pieces. Like they have the pampas grass. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's like the big feathery furry grass thing that people use for like their decor. They have a bunch of pampas grass there in different colors, pink, white, beige, all that stuff. So I didn't get any, but I definitely wanted some for my living room when that time comes. But I found some other cute stuff, or some other nice things rather. So I got this Christmas wreath, you know, cute, basic but still cute. From there, then I seen that they had a line of candles. I don't know if Home Depot ever had candles before, but baby, when I tell you, I was actually passing the candles and I'm like, oh wait, what is that smell? Girl, these are hitting. So if you need some candles, definitely check them out. I got the cinnamon sugar cookie and the caramel apple, and they smell freaking amazing. So definitely run out to your Home Depot and see if they have these. They're called Aroma Home. They are bomb. Promise you, you won't be disappointed. They are definitely hitting. And then I bought these hand soaps, and they're 20 ounces. They're glass jars. They're really heavy, which is, I guess, a good thing. Anyways, yeah, bought some hand soaps, and this was, I believe, for the pack, $9 something, which was a really good deal. These candles were like $9 each, and then the wreath was like $12.99, I think. But yeah, for the hand soap, they have pumpkin spice, sunflower citrus, and cinnamon sugar. Now I didn't smell these yet, but based off of the candles, I'm assuming that they're gonna smell great. So I will let you guys know how I like them, and I'll just put one of each in the bathrooms since there are 3 bathrooms. And then I just got some hooks to you know, hook up the wreath and anything else that we might need, and then a lighter. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue finishing stripping the wallpaper. I'm almost done. I pretty much ripped off all the wallpaper. It's now just taking off the glue and the sticky part. So yeah, I'm gonna head back to doing that, but just wanted to show you guys what I got. guys, today is day 1 of renovations and we definitely got a lot done today. Hubby did an exceptional job with the floors. I'll show you guys. As you can see here, this is one of the bedrooms. He completed second room. I think he got 3 out of the 4 bedrooms completed, and the hallway as well, so that's amazing. I think all he has to do left is stain, if I'm not mistaken, and do like finish the trim, the edges rather. And the wallpaper in this room is pretty much almost done. I did most of the wall. My mom came and helped. She did a little bit. And as you can see, hubby is finishing the remaining portion, and then he has to do the sanding in this room. But again, we got a lot done today, a ton, and we are pooped. So we're gonna try to come here after work tomorrow to at least finish up the flooring, or at least start staining, and then start painting after the floors are dried and everything. So hopefully we can start painting this weekend, or either later on this week or this weekend for sure we should start painting. But it has been a long day. It's actually night, as you can see. Yeah, so we're going to head out soon and go home and eat some dinner. We're tired. So thanks for tuning in. Let me know if you guys like the whole renovation series. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. And yeah, I guess I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. But like I said, yes, I'm going to go, and hope you guys have a wonderful week. See you later. Bye.